Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today is issue 27 of Build the Titanic, the Ship, the Legend by Hachette Powerworks. Okay, so we're doing some more work with the engine. So yeah, what we're doing in this one is we're starting the second engine. So let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing. So the parts we get come in this little box, and let's flick to the back. So we get the parts for the second engine. So these are the parts we get here. We have done this before with the first engine, so we should be familiar with what we're doing. We just need to make sure we get these in the correct order when we're doing it, and we clip these on right when we're doing that as well. So yeah, it shouldn't be too difficult, this one. And then when we secure them onto there, that is what we should have left over by the end of this one. So it's very similar to the way we did the first engine. Okay, so as you can see, there's not too many parts and not too many steps to do in this one. We have done these steps before when we did the first engine, so it shouldn't be too difficult, this one. So this hopefully should be a nice short and sweet, quick and easy video. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so with the parts out of the packaging, we're going to need 4 of these ones and 4 of these ones here. So we're going to take this, and the way we're going to have it is this way around. We're going to clip them onto there. So the round one goes in the center like that, and the other one goes to the end. I did find it easier last time to use a pair of tweezers to clip the second one on. So put it in the middle and then push it across just like that. So I'm going to do that 4 times. So that's all 4 of them made up. Now we're going to want to take the 4 of these, the little ones, and they're going to get clipped onto the last one. We want the smaller side to clip onto there, and we want it facing that way, just like that. So let's do that again another 3 times. So the small side clips onto the back. Again, the small side onto the back. Last one now. Just like that. So that's all 4 of them completely made up. Okay, so next we're going to need these 4 parts here. I've laid them out in the same order they have, which is L8, L7, L6 and L5. Now we can take this detail here and we're going to lay this down into there. So these are exactly the same order, so we can connect these on. You can even probably do it one by one actually. Again, this is going to go on with a BM screw. So let's get this one in. So this is L8 that's going on first. Now it's L7, which is there. Let's get this one on with the supplied screw. A little bit tighter. There we are. Now L6. Just there. Let's get this one secure. That one. Final one now is L5, and that's getting put just on there. Let's get this secured down. And with that, you've got that all complete like that, and then there. So that is this issue all complete. So there you are guys, that is issue 27 all complete, and I quite whizzed through that one actually. That one wasn't too difficult because we've done it before, it made it a bit easier. So yeah, join me next time when we're doing issue 28, and that one will be out tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below, and if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care, bye bye.